Warning, the following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
What's good, YouTube? I know I ain't seen y'all in a couple days for real, but that's cause we got a new car to the family, as y'all seen in the previous video. That X5, the one with my man's Q51. We're working on his little project car, his daily G35 right there. But these two side by side, let's just get the G35 out the picture. Whew. Twin turbo beast right here. But yeah, so we might run it, might get a couple runs. Y'all see how she's looking real spiffed out. You know what I mean? Real good. Yes. But there's one to come talk to y'all, come holler at y'all for a little bit. Let y'all know what we doing. We just out here chilling. Ready to go get some work in. Ready to go sprint and do all types of jogging and shit like that before we get to have fun. You know what I mean? Make sure y'all get y'all work in before y'all have fun. Get y'all work in before y'all start playing around. You're gonna feel way better after. Cause after you get your work in and you have fun, you're gonna be like, alright, good, I had a cool productive day. You feel me? I don't got nothing to do for the rest of the day. I can just chill. You're gonna feel good at the end of the day. Trust me. Peace. So boy VQ, Steno rear wheel drive back. I'm in that big body X5. 4.4 liter, of course. Not the little one. Not the 3.0 top. About to race my man's Q51. Y'all already know who he is. He has a JB4 in his Q50. I believe he's going to be on map 3. And I am stock as can be. Y'all see the gauges right there. I'ma just run it in sport mode and just have it do its own thing. I'm not even going to shift the gears yet because just got the car. I know the shift before like 6,500 RPMs, of course, but other than that, I'm gonna just let the car do what it do. I think I should win 0 to 60, but after 60, I feel like he got it because I'm in the X5 boat. So, you know what I mean? But I'll get back to y'all when we start the race. Peace. That's 60. I'm still on his ass. 0 to 60, I won. That was a good race. 0 to 60, I won, like I said. That's a good race. Even at 100, I was still on his butt. Probably gonna do one more right here. Alright. That's a good race. He not really going nowhere, y'all. He not really going nowhere. That's a good race, y'all. That's a good ass race. I'm on his butt. That JB4 definitely kicking in. But you won the race.
Nigga, I won.
Fuck up is crazy.
Time, nigga.
0 to 60, the first one you ain't win. I seen it. You see, we got the video. It's on clip.
You smoking shit?
I know, my shit crazy too, but you gotta remember, you're on map 3 JB4.
I told them before we even raced.
Yeah, he's tuned, guys. He's tuned.
Map JB4 tuned. I said, I stopped 0 to 60 in 5 seconds. His is 3.9.
No, mine is 4.2.
What I seen when the website I was on, that shit said 3.9.
You seen the M550 2020. This is not
Okay,
an M.
2020,
This,
okay.
this is not an M either.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so 4.3, 5-second stop. Map 3.
Map 3 JB4.
Makes a big
Is
difference.
that your shit smelling or is that my shit smelling?
It's mine.
Okay. So
don't
it's a
know
good
what
race
that
though. You wasn't really, but I was there the whole time.
You was there, bro.
I was there. You slightly, but I'm there. It's like, The one thing about these cars, I guess they have intercoolers. I don't know if it's the AC system, but y'all can hear it.
I think that's my AC.
Look, the car's off.
That's my AC.
My car's off.
Oh yeah, I got cool air coming through there.
Your car's on, nigga.
I know, but my shit not even hot.
Y'all can hear it cooling the turbos. I did not know the Beamers do that, or these X5s do that. Okay, that's crazy. That's crazy, y'all. Good runs though, good runs for sure. About to get a pull. Downshift is crazy too. Yes, sir. Back to back to back.